Hi guys, Sandy from So Easy by Sandy here, and today I am making a Piggy baby blanket using the block we did before. And if you haven't watched that video, don't forget to watch it right after this one, okay? These are my 12 piggies ready to go. You'll notice I have a rebel here. I always like to make one piggy block that's completely different from the others. You know, turned the other way, different colors, something that really stands out and puts a smile on your face. Okay, first step. Picking the placement for my piggies, and my only rule is no two equal piggies go together. Then I'll start adding the white strips to the rows like so. And now to attach the rows together with some more white strips like so. Okay, now we measure to know if we need to add any more white fabric to make the 40-inch length and the 32-inch width. And that's our top. Next step, we need to cut our bottom and pin it to the top, right sides together. Don't forget to leave a gap large enough to be able to turn it inside out, okay? Next, we close the blanket and make our binding like so. And that's it, our blanket is complete. Cute, right? I know I love it. And I'd love to know your opinion about this project, so please leave me a comment below letting me know, okay? And I will see you soon. Bye bye!